Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account sign-ups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy check mark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, TELUS, OneForma, Appen, Remo Tasks, Wellocalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.
I don't even have to leave my room. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this side hustle, which is search engine rating. Now, I know this sounds complicated, but don't worry, I'm going to explain to you guys in the simplest way what search engine rating is. But first, I'm going to give you guys the 4 benefits of this side hustle that guarantees me $20,000 a year. Number 1, no degree or background in search is required in order for you to successfully complete this side hustle. Everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. But that's not all. I'm going to give you the best affiliate marketing methods and strategies that you can use to ensure that you make the most amount of money. Now, to start, affiliate marketing is completely free. You do not have to purchase any products if you do it correctly. I'm going to walk you through the free strategy of affiliate marketing, as some people do start purchasing products to review and recommend, but you don't have to do all that. I'm going to show you how to do it the free 99 way. Okay, now let's get into the video. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of selling someone else's products or services for a commission. Now, the hardest part of affiliate marketing is not finding companies and getting accepted into their affiliate programs. The hardest part of affiliate marketing is actually developing a solid strategy that you can use to ensure that your audience actually purchases the products that you recommend, because if they're not purchasing the products, then you're not getting paid. I used to think that influencers and content creators got paid off clicks. That is very, very untrue. You do not get paid off clicks. I learned that the hard way, to be honest. No matter how many clicks you get, you have to actually wait until your audience starts purchasing the products you recommend, and then the money will start coming in. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my exact blueprint, as well as the #1 tool that I use to ensure that I get the most amount of traffic to my affiliate links, which will result in the most amount of money for you. Major creators like Gary Vee and Sean Cannell from Think Media actually use this affiliate marketing tool. I'm going to tell you exactly what the tool is, I'm going to show you where to find it, and I'm going to explain to you the best strategies that you can use to make the tool work for you. Now, when you do affiliate marketing, what kind of products can you sell? You can pretty much sell any kind of products you want. You got digital products, physical products, spiritual products, whatever products, anything else that ends in products you can sell. Once you apply for and get into an affiliate marketing program, you'll be given a special URL code that you will use to advertise products. Once an individual clicks on your URL link and makes a purchase, you will receive a commission for that purchase. Now, it's important to note that different companies have different requirements for getting into the affiliate program. Some companies have like a minimum social media following. Say, for example, you got to have at least 1,000 Instagram followers before you'll qualify to get into their affiliate marketing program. However, the majority of affiliate marketing programs do not have a minimum following requirement. 9 times out of 10, what you're going to do is apply for the affiliate marketing program. The people who work for the company are going to go on your social media platforms. They're going to make sure that you have an actively growing audience and are actively serious about your social media presence, and then they'll decide whether you fit the culture of their program or not. But if you're hindering yourself from doing affiliate marketing because you have a small social media following, don't let that stop you. You'll be completely fine, honestly. Now I'm going to give you guys the 2 best methods that you can use to find affiliate marketing programs. Method #1 is going directly to companies and finding the affiliate marketing information on their website. And method #2 is going to a host affiliate marketing website, which is a website with the primary focus of directing affiliates to affiliate programs. So without further ado, let's get into method #1. The best way to figure out what company you should become an affiliate of is by starting with the companies you currently love. Take out a piece of paper, write down all the products that you love to rave about, write down all the products you love using, write down all the companies that you love buying from, and just go on their websites and see if they have an affiliate marketing program. Now, if you were to go on a company's website and you figure out that they don't have an affiliate program, that doesn't mean they don't necessarily have one, they just might not advertise it. So what you want to do is email customer service and ask if they have an affiliate program and what the requirements are if they do. Now, this is extremely important when it comes to affiliate marketing. You never want to recommend a product that you haven't used or a product that you cannot confidently back up. Your brand will be associated with the products that you advertise to your audience. And if you're advertising low quality products, then your audience isn't going to trust you very much. So here's what you can do to find if certain companies have affiliate marketing programs on their website. So what we're going to do is actually go to inboundoelements.com, and I'll show you how easy it is to find affiliate marketing information on pretty much any website that you look up. So here we are, inboundoelements.com. I usually just Control F, which brings up the search bar. I type in affiliate. Right here, it'll say affiliates. And here's all the information that we need to know about Inbound to Elements. Inbound to Elements is a company that provides editing software for different content creators. They provide videos, sound effects, everything, you name it, templates, all of it. Inbound to works with YouTubers, people who do Pinterest, people who do TikTok, and more. I mean, I guess more would be like Instagram, Facebook. And so you'd hit right here, join program. And 9 times out of 10, if the company has an affiliate hyperlink on their webpage, there's going to be a spot for you to directly apply as well on the webpage. And it's honestly just as simple as that. Now, method number 2 requires a little bit more work, but it's highly beneficial. Method number 2 is going and applying directly onto a host website like impact.com. Impact.com is a website that's sort of like a funnel. It provides affiliates a hub for partnering with affiliate programs. So I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how you can sign up to join impact.com. What we're going to do here is go to impact.com, and right here you'll see, are you a brand or are you a partner? Technically you're a partner, so you're going to click partner. When you scroll down, they're going to have just different selections that you can click here. Obviously, we're going to do the affiliate program, so you can click affiliates. Here are the brands that they're partnered with. Major brands, Adidas, Allstate, whatever this is, and Lenovo, StockX, love StockX. And you can hit like find brand partners right here. It'll bring you to the sign up page, and this is where you'd sign up. Now, I can't go through here and sign up because I already have an account. But once you finish submitting all your information, they're going to ask you to provide a profile photo. They're going to ask you to provide a description of the content you make, provide your links to your different social media platforms or whatever platforms that you want to display to the brands that you hope to work with in the future. And then impact.com actually has to approve you to be on their hub. And then from there, once you get accepted, you'll be able to apply to work with all types of different companies. So it's as simple as that, man. So now that you know how to find and get into affiliate marketing programs, you now need to have a solid method for actually advertising, promoting, and getting your audience to purchase the products that you are recommending to them. The best way to get your audience to purchase products that you recommend to them is by not actually trying to sell them. What do I mean by that? When you love something like a show, for example, you don't have to force yourself to tell someone you love a show. When you love a restaurant, you don't have to force yourself to tell someone about the restaurant. You naturally want to talk about those things because you think that the person you're speaking to would benefit from having the similar experience that you had. Now, the important thing about products and services like these that you just want to naturally advertise is that the product or service speaks for itself. For example, if you weren't advertising the product, you specifically, the product would still be getting traction because tons of people like it. One of my rules of thumb is advertising a product that speaks for itself. If I wouldn't advertise a product for free because I like it so much, then I'm probably not going to advertise it as an affiliate. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't advertise new products or you shouldn't advertise products that you've only tried for a limited time. But what I'm saying is you don't just want to hop on every single product that sounds great and just start advertising it without actually figuring out if the product's a good fit for your niche or a good fit for your audience. For example, for me on this channel, I create finance content as well as tell people about different ways that they can make extra money. I work for a digital marketing company, and on the side, I edit videos for free. For free? No, I don't. I actually edit short form videos for people on Fiverr. So naturally, I speak about the video equipment and editing software that I use. All those links are in the description. Now, I'm an affiliate for the majority of the links that are in my description, of course. And so when I naturally bring up these things on my channel, my audience isn't going to be confused. Like, why is he talking about financial stuff? And why is he talking about video products and digital services? Because the majority of the time, I'm trying to give people insight into some really, really good products that they could use that have helped me. And it just so happens that I get a commission from it. Now, if you stayed this far till the end of the video, congratulations, because I'm going to give you the #1 tool that I use to generate the most amount of traffic to my affiliate links, which will result in the most amounts of money for you. This tool is Kitco. Now, clear disclaimer, I'm not an affiliate of Kitco. I don't even think that they have an affiliate program. I think I looked into it. It's free to sign up. They're not going to charge you a monthly subscription or anything like that. And the services they offer are just absolutely phenomenal. So in last week's video, I actually did a quick walkthrough of how to sign up for Kitco and how to use Kitco effectively to promote your affiliate products. I'm going to include this little snippet right now in this video. It's less than 2 minutes. Make sure you watch all the way through because it's extremely helpful. And then once that snippet is over, I'll recap everything we talked about in this video, type it up into a document, show it on the screen, and you'll be able to screenshot it and start using these strategies that I spoke to you about today to start developing an effective affiliate marketing strategy.